So how do you check your daily screen time on the iPhone? Let me show you all the ways you can do this. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so the best way to do it by far is of course using the built-in method where you go to the settings app and find the screen time below at the bottom. And when you go there, you can see some data, but obviously, if you haven't used that before, you need to click on set it up. So that's going to be very important. So you click on start. But once it's been turned on for at least a day or some time, you can click on the section which is called See All App and Website Activity. And this is going to show you a little breakdown of the activity, but you can switch between the week and the day. So for the daily screen time, make sure you go there and you can see how much time has been spent with the screen on, and you can see the apps that have been used and how long you've been using those apps. And of course, you can go back in time, like swipe to the left and go back to the previous days, right? And that's how you can basically see the usage in the past. So that's actually very useful. You can even go back in a time. To be honest, it's not like you can go 1 year back. It's only a few weeks of the data which gets stored on the phone, but still it's really nice to see that. One more thing though, pay attention to the devices section at the top, because if you have multiple devices like iPhone and iPad, you might see the usage, the screen time combined together. So if you want to see it on the iPhone only, choose that device. And also below you can see some other interesting things as well, like the notifications and the pickups, which is basically the first app you open up once you unlock the phone. So that gives you even additional information about the usage and the screen time. So yeah, that is all from me. I really hope I could help. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the future tutorials and videos similar to this one.